Today, traceability is one of the most important aspects of manufacturing. Nowhere is this more true than in the quality control stage, when assembled products are tested to verify they meet their specifications. In this video, we demonstrate Tibbo's approach to traceability during QC. We combine a WS1102 with a barcode scanner, a TPP2 Gen 2 with LCD and keypad, and Microsoft Azure to create a flexible and reliable cloud-enabled traceability system. The WS1102 wireless serial controller processes scanned barcodes used to track products, and securely serves that data to Azure. The TPP2 is a part of the Tibbo project system, our modular industrial automation platform. Each unit is tailored to the needs of its workstation. It generates and displays configuration QR codes, which allow WS1102s and barcode scanners to be moved between stations seamlessly. Finally, Azure analyzes collected telemetry and tracks the progress of each product through manufacturing and testing. This functionality is critical for detecting any steps that were missed or improperly executed. Here, we have the first station in our QC process. We connect the device under testing, or DUT, to the TPP2, which serves as the test fixture. The QR code displayed on the TPP2 provides configuration information for the WS1102 to establish a connection. After we scan the QR code and the link is made, the TPP2 is prompted to generate a new QR code with the serial number assigned to the DUT. We do this by pressing the first button on the keypad. Scanning the second QR code initiates the test process. The TPP2 runs a battery of tests on the DUT, then passes the results to the WS1102, which securely transmits them to Azure. In the cloud, an Azure function analyzes the results, then replies to the testing station whether the DUT has passed or failed. In our setup, the TPP2 is also connected to a printer, which prints out the QR code with the DUT serial number for use in the rest of the process. At the second station, the operator connects the DUT to the TPP2. Then, they use the same WS1102 to scan the QR code on the TPP2, establishing a new connection. Now, they scan the QR code accompanying the DUT, which automatically starts the test. Once testing is complete, Azure will again determine whether the product has passed or failed. The final station in our demonstration is for a visual inspection. First, the operator scans the QR code at the station to configure the WS1102. Then, they perform their inspection. If the product passes, they scan the QR code associated with the DUT to signal that it passed the test. The WS1102 provides feedback via its buzzer and LEDs to inform the operator when the process is complete. As all this telemetry was sent to Azure, it is accessible at any time, from anywhere in the world. For example, here's the telemetry for the visual inspection, followed by the response from Azure sent to the WS1102. As it was designed to be flexible, Tibbo's traceability system can be adapted for other parts of the manufacturing process, or even expanded to encompass the whole operation. For a more in-depth look at how it all works, please see the case study on our website. The link is in the video description below.